So we have this super clean Mercedes E63 AMG right behind me, sitting on some 20-inch Forgiato wheels. However, these wheels are absolutely caked with brake dust. Not to worry though, we got you guys covered. We're gonna be cleaning them with our MHC Auto wheel cleaner. Let's get it. Before we spray it down with our wheel cleaner, we are gonna do a little bit of a pre-rinse. This is just gonna help knock off any loose dirt. And as you guys can see, the pre-rinse is gonna take off a lot of dirt just by itself. Next up, the wheel cleaner. We're gonna let this sit for about 30 seconds or so, let the wheel cleaner do its magic, and then we're gonna rinse it all off. While we let the wheel cleaner settle in, we are gonna clean the tire with some all-purpose cleaner and just scrub it all down. We got our wheel brush. And now we can rinse it all off. And this is what the finished product looks like. As you guys can see, it's a night and day difference. However, there is a little bit of dirt on the little nooks and crannies. However, I want to show you guys real results with real products. I'm not trying to sell you guys a dream or anything like that. Remember, we did not agitate the wheel with any wheel brushes or anything like that. However, I am gonna make a part 2 with that rear wheel over there, showing you guys the complete process on how we clean wheels with wheel cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and some auto shampoo.